It's the purple mag extension. That means go fast and do awesome.
All right, we're gonna shoot alphas this time and 1-for-1 on steel, and treat this like IDPA, but with USPSA targets. You know how confusing that is in real time?
But you know how epic that beard is in all time?
All I hear is,
I love you, Chris. Let's make this happen.
All right, shooter ready. Stand by.
I knew that was gonna happen.
When you're ready, I'll load show clear. Fantastic. Beautiful.